Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Amazon account on your mobile device. Amazon is the vast internet-based enterprise that sells books, music, movies, housewares, electronics, toys, and many other goods either directly or as the middleman between other retailers and Amazon.com's millions of customers. If you see something that you want to purchase on Amazon, then you have to create an account and order it. With an account, Amazon remembers the item you have purchased and saves the item you have put into your shopping cart that you haven't yet purchased. It keeps track of items you've looked at and it shows you similar items that might interest you. After you create an account, you can purchase an item immediately. So, in order to create an Amazon account, first go to any browser on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Go to the search bar and search for Amazon.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go to the sign in option and tap on it. On this page, you'll get to see create an account option. You need to tap on it in order to create one. Now you'll have to enter your details like your name, mobile number or email address, and you need to create a password in order to create an Amazon account. Now once you have entered your details, go and tap on verify email. And as you are directed to another page, you'll have to solve this puzzle in order to protect your account. So go and tap on solve puzzle. And after you are done solving it, now you will have to verify your email address. So go and check your mail and copy the OTP. After you are done pasting or entering it, go and tap on verify in order to verify your email address and Amazon account. Now, in order to enhance your account security, the Amazon asks to add or verify your mobile number. You can tap here to select your country or region, and you can enter your phone number on the blank text field here. Once you do that, go and tap on add mobile number. By doing this, Amazon sends an OTP to your mobile number as well. So now copy the OTP and enter it on the blank text field here. And once you have entered the OTP, go and tap on create your Amazon account in order to create a new Amazon account on your mobile device. And now you'll have successfully created an Amazon account for yourself. And now by tapping onto the profile icon on your Amazon account, you'll be able to make your orders, you'll be able to customize your accounts and settings from here. So this is it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.